Hello, my fellow AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to Jarvis by Aman, where we turn plain old Python into something that makes you feel like Tony Stark, minus the billions of dollars, of course. Today, we are doing something insanely cool. We are giving our Jarvis an LLM brain. Yes, you heard that right. Your AI assistant is finally getting some intelligence, unlike your school group project teammates. Now, I know what you are thinking, but Ammon, isn't this complicated? Will I need some expensive API key? Do I need a supercomputer to run this? Well, guess what? Guess what? No, you need nothing except a little bit of patience and the ability to follow instructions, which I hope you have. So today, I am giving you two AI LLM for your Jarvis. The first one is a fast and efficient AI using Phind. If you want quick responses and something that does not make you wait forever, this is perfect. It is like that one student in class who always answers before the teacher even finishes the question. Fast, smart, and sometimes a little too confident. The second one is slow but accurate, using Llama with the WebScout module. This one takes its sweet time to think before responding, kind of like your friend who takes 5 minutes to type OK in a text message. But when it finally replies, it is super detailed and well-researched. The best part? It requires no API key, meaning no sign-ups, no subscriptions, and no selling your soul to a big corporation. All right, step 1. Create a new folder named LLM. This is where we are going to store our AI brains. Think of it as the digital equivalent of a head, but empty for now, just like your Wi-Fi router when it stops working. Step 2. Create a new file called fastai.py and paste the Phind AI code inside it. This will be our fast response AI, perfect for quick answers and real-time processing. Run the file with an input like, "What is artificial intelligence?" and watch how fast it responds. If only my internet could be that quick. Oh wait, I completely forgot to show you the output. So let's go back and take a look at what it actually said. When I asked, "What is artificial intelligence?" The response was extremely detailed. In short, it explained that AI is all about creating computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence. It mentioned concepts like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and robotics. Essentially, AI is everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. It is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and education. AI is not just about making computers smart, but about making them capable of learning, reasoning, and adapting, just like humans. Well, maybe even better than some humans, but let's not get into that. Now, back to business. Step 3. Create another file called accurateai.py. Paste the Llama AI code here. This one is going to give more detailed and in-depth answers. Run it with an input like explain quantum computing and wait for it to generate a proper response. Yes, wait, it is not winning any speed races, but trust me, the accuracy is worth it. Now, while this AI takes its sweet time, let me explain what quantum computing is, because the answer we got was quite technical, and I do not want you to fall asleep before it even finishes processing. So, quantum computing is basically a new way of computing that takes advantage of quantum mechanics. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, which can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states at once thanks to a property called superposition. This means they can represent a combination of 0 and 1 at the same time, making them insanely powerful for certain types of calculations. Then there is entanglement, which is even crazier. If two qubits become entangled, their states are linked no matter how far apart they are. This allows quantum computers to process multiple calculations simultaneously, which makes them exponentially faster for certain problems. Now, how does all of this work? Well, quantum computers use quantum gates to manipulate qubits, similar to how classical computers use logic gates. However, because qubits behave differently, quantum gates can perform multiple operations at once. The result. Quantum computers can solve problems that would take traditional computers millions of years in just seconds. But before you start throwing away your laptop, there are some challenges. Quantum computers are incredibly sensitive to errors and noise. Even the slightest disturbance can mess up calculations, making quantum computing still an experimental field. It is also difficult to build large-scale quantum computers because qubits need to be kept in extreme conditions, like near absolute zero temperatures. Link. Yes, absolute zero, as in colder than Antarctica in winter. Still, despite these challenges, quantum computing has massive potential. It could revolutionize fields like cryptography, materials science, and even artificial intelligence itself. Imagine an AI that runs on a quantum computer. That is the kind of thing that makes sci-fi movies look outdated. All right, let's check if our Llama AI has finally woken up and given us an answer. If it has, you will see how detailed it is compared to the Phind AI. It takes its time, but it really goes deep into the subject. So let's recap. If you need instant replies and do not mind a little bit of confidence, go with Phind AI. If you want deep, well thought out answers and have the patience of a saint, Llama is your best friend. The best part is you can integrate both into Jarvis and create a system where it decides which AI to use based on the question. Short and simple, use Phind. Complex and detailed, use Llama. Just like choosing between instant noodles and a home-cooked meal. One is fast, the other takes time, but is much better. Now that you have set up your AI brain, your Jarvis is smarter than ever. Well, at least smarter than your alarm clock that still thinks snooze means turn off. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you want more, subscribe. And if you do not, well, your Jarvis might just refuse to answer your questions. Just saying. See you in the next one. Happy coding. Oh, and before you start panicking about typing all this code yourself, relax. I've already uploaded the source codes in my Telegram channel, Jarvis by Aman. The link is in the description, so you do not have to struggle copying everything like it is an exam cheat sheet. You are welcome.